Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So I received a few messages this week asking how I could link images or text to a website. So I'm going to show you how. So first you need to pull up the webpage that you would like to link to. So I'm going to link to the Brackman Middle School webpage. And using my keyboard shortcuts we learned last week, I'm going to press Control-L to highlight that URL and then Control-C to copy it. I'm going to go back into my document. And I'm going to click right here, Insert Link, and I'm going to press Control-V to paste in that web page, and then you could enter in whatever text you would like. Click here to go to ROBMS. Apply, and then your link is right there, okay? If I wanted to link an image, all you're going to do is go to Insert, Image, search the web, and type in Bulldog. We'll use this guy. So I inserted the image. Okay, I'm going to use the diagonal sizing handles to change the size. And the reason why you want to use the diagonal sizing handles is so it keeps the scaling of the image and it doesn't distort it. So then if I right click on that, I'm going to click on link. And then all I'm going to do is press Control-V because I have that link copied still to the ROBMS webpage, and then go to apply. So now both of these, if I click on them, it brings you to the Brackman website. And the same thing on the image, you see it right here, click and go. So that is how you link images and text to websites. Hey Bulldogs, so I've been getting many questions as to where do I find my fun fonts? Well, you could find them too. They are in your Google Docs. You simply click on the font tab right here and go to more fonts. And then you could search through and you could add any of these to your drop-down menu. So if you're looking for maybe all script fonts, let's see, I'm going to look at handwriting. Okay, and you just click on the ones that you want to add to your drop-down that you would like to use. Okay, and then go to OK, and then you highlight, and then look for the font that you just downloaded. It's as easy as that. Hey Bulldogs, I am going to show you how to insert an image from Google Images by clicking and dragging. This is going to save you a ton of time. I had no clue you could even do this until a student taught me. So shout out to Aiden for this Tech Tip Tuesday. So what you're going to do in Google, you will search for whatever image you're looking for. I typed in Bulldog clip art. And then I'm just going to click on images to pull them all up. And then I'm going to scroll through until I find an image that I would like to use. I'm going to use this first one here. And all you do is click on it and hold down the mouse and drag it up over to your document that you have open and drop it in. And your image is in there. You don't have to save it. You don't have to go up to insert image from file. Just click and drag it right over. It saves so much time. So thanks, Aiden, for this helpful tip. Hey Bulldogs, don't forget, if you want to learn how to do something, send a Tech Tip Tuesday suggestion to me at smith@barnegatschools.com. Hope you tune in next Tuesday.